Testing, testing. There you are! Say hi, my name's Tom.
Hi, my name's Tom.
Say I'm gonna go eat my pancakes.
I eat my pancakes.
Go get them, they're gonna get cold. Hello, it's been a while since I've done one of these, so I hope you guys like. So this is Jessica. I moisturized her face first, and then now I'm applying primer, and I'm about to go in on those beautiful eyebrows. I barely have to do anything because her eyebrows are just goals already. After that, I'm just using Fit Me Concealer to help carve out and shape her eyebrows. Sorry, this focus kind of goes in and out, so bear with me here. And then I'm setting it with the RCMA translucent setting powder. Then I'm going in with a transition brown shade, and we went for a smoky eye look, so we're using a lot of browns and dark shadows. And as always, I am starting out with the lighter brown shades and working my way to the darker brown shades, making sure I'm buffing it out and blending it along the way. After foundation, we're going to start concealing her under eye area and using this also as a brightening technique. And we're going to put some on the middle of her forehead, down the bridge of her nose, and also at her chin. And don't forget to set all the areas that you concealed. Moving on, we're going to lift her eyebrow and also separate the eyebrow bone from the dark shadows by adding a light shimmery shade on the brow bone. And then we're moving on to bronzing up her face. Since she has darker skin, I wanted to go really bronzy and dark with the contour bronzing shades. So that's what we're doing now. A little tip when working with smoky eyes, you really want to make sure you're bringing those shadows and those colors down underneath the eye and smoking out the under eye area, because don't make it look like a raccoon, but some people get scared from doing this part, but then it looks lopsided, like your eye looks top heavy. So you really want to smoke out the bottom lash line. And lashes are always a good way to go, but especially with a smoky eye, they are the smartest way to go. I believe I was using the Ardell Demi Wispies on her, and look at what a difference just one eye makes. They're so pretty. She had never worn lashes before, so she was a little spooked out, but she ended up really loving them. Then we're adding a inner corner highlight. Oh my gosh, she just looks so pretty. I'm using her mascara right now. That's what she's used to. And we're almost done, guys. I believe I added some blush and her highlight, of course. Here it comes. I believe, oh gosh, I believe I used Champagne Pop on her. Ooh, yes, I did, because I wanted her to have like a really pretty glow, and she just has that gorgeous darker skin type. But all right, I think we are just about done. I did line her lips with a Milani liner, and then I used one of her favorite lip products on her lips. If I can find out what that is, I will leave it in the bottom bar if you're interested. But that's it. If any of you guys would like me to do this for you when you're getting your makeup done, just let me know, and I can always film it so you have it to go back to, look back on, and see the techniques I used, what did and didn't work for you. And yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Look how excited she is. Those are the faces that I live for. But thank you so much, Jessica, for letting me do this and film you. I think you looked gorgeous. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.